What else are you drawing?
Roses. Roses.
What color are the roses?
Yellow.
Mm-hmm.
And pink. And pinky. And pink and yellow. Pink and yellow. Pink. Yellow. Pink and yellow. Pink and yellow. Pink.
What else are you drawing?
I draw on my pizza, eggs, purple.
What is that you're drawing right there?
A circle.
Yeah.
A brown circle. I'm making a brown circle. I'm making a brown circle.
Mm-hmm.
I don't pink, please.
I'm sorry?
I don't want pink, please. Look a bee. Look a bee.
Where could it be? I'm not sure.
It's in the kitchen.
Are they?
You have to go get them.
What do you say?
Oh, pretty, please. And stay right here.
Okay.